Yes students, welcome back to SST class. In this video we are going to discuss about the air pollution. First of all we are going to discuss about the major sources of air pollution and what do we mean by air pollution. So air pollution is a state when the pollutants are released in the atmosphere. Now we know that atmosphere is a layer of air, layer of gases that surrounds the earth as a blanket. Atmosphere is of great importance because it is of its uniqueness. We, the humans and the other living organisms could sustain their lives upon the earth. Now, when we talk about air pollution, the unwanted substances when added into the air, which destroys the balance of the composition of the atmospheric gases, is termed as air pollution. And when it gets contaminated and affects the human health, it is termed as air pollution. Now air pollution leads to several respiratory problems. It could also lead to cancer, lung problems, lung choking could be done by the air pollution. But now our major concern is with the topic of what are the major sources of the air pollution. So when we talk about the major sources of air pollution, that is auto vehicles. We know that growing population and growing scientific developments have been a major beneficial thing for the human life, because population is acting as a resource and scientific developments are increasing the potentials of the humans. But every coin has two faces. Now when we talk about the growing population and scientific developments and industrious developments, that are also leading to the negative impact as well. For example, we are having auto vehicles. The growing population is also having growing demands. So with the growing population, there is growing demand of transportation and communication. When we talk about transportation, we are having auto vehicles. For example, we are having buses, cars, bikes, trains, aeroplanes. All of these auto vehicles or automobiles are having internal combustion engine in them. Now what does this internal combustion engine does? It consumes the fossil fuels like petrol and diesel. When the combustion takes place, it means when the burning of this fossil fuels takes place in the internal combustion engine, it releases or exhales huge amount of poisonous gases in the atmosphere. For example, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, methane, sulfur dioxide. So such type of gases are released in the atmosphere with the movement of the auto vehicles. Now every house is having number of auto vehicles in it, and this is creating, by the combustion of these fossil fuel in the internal combustion engines, it is creating lots of pollution. Moreover, it is also utilizing the resource, that is fossil fuel. Moving ahead, when we talk about industries, as we have said that population has increased to great extent, scientific development has grown up, and industries have come up with a pathfinder, or you can call it is increasing because of the great demands of the population. Now when we talk about industries also releases great amount of smoke. Now this smoke is a main pollutant of industries, because the smoke consists of harmful gases like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, because these industries also work upon the fossil fuels, and majority of the gases are not having the treatment plants in order to treat the exhaling gas so that it could not pollute the environment. Majority of the industries are not having that treatment plant. So the gases or the smoke is released directly to the environment without any treatment, which is creating a lot of environmental as well as atmospheric pollution. For example, the industries like paper releases huge amount of smoke. For example, the industry like cement, it gives rise to great amount of dust particles. And bricks, as you all know, bricks, for the making of the bricks, a huge amount of burning vessel is burned, which produces huge amount of smoke. So more industries, for example, refining industries produces more many much amount of intoxicated gases in the atmosphere, and smelting of ores also produces many harmful gases. Moving ahead, when we talk about burning of garbage. Now each and every household is producing huge amount of garbage in a day. And what we used to do there with the garbage, either we are throwing it or dumping it in a particular site, or we are burning it. When we are burning the garbage, that garbage while burning consumes very less amount of oxygen, but it produces huge amount of pollutants in the form of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, and also which creates lot of smoke. Now because of this less amount of fire, that smoke or the pollutants are not able to rise upside. They are in the lower atmosphere, which we are directly inhaling. The person in the contact with the burning of the garbage is directly inhaling that intoxicated materials or pollutants from the air, which is creating a lot of health issues to him. Now, when we talk about major sources, except that agriculture wastes when burned are producing a huge amount of pollutants, which are also the major source of you can call it air pollution. And moreover, the auto vehicles produces huge amount of dust while moving. That is also the major source of air pollution. But still we are having these are the human induced causes for the natural, for the air pollution. Now we are having some natural reasons as well. For example, the volcano. When volcano erupts, the huge amount of intoxicated material that is found in the Earth's crust in the form of gases are released in the atmosphere. Huge amount of dust is there, which forms a dust cloud in the atmosphere. So that are some of the natural processes as well. But as we have discussed, nature has its balance. If it is creating a pollution, it is also decomposing it. But the human interference with the invention of the auto vehicles, industries and burning of garbage had created a great rate of production of the pollutants in the atmosphere, which the nature could not make a balance with. Now we are going to discuss about the major pollutants that pollutes the air and the atmosphere. So the major pollutants that creates air pollution. Now we have discussed about the sources of the air pollution, that were the auto vehicles, industries and the burning of the garbage. Now all of these three sources produces sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, hydrocarbons and methane gases. Now all of these major sources produces different amount of pollutants, which further violates or creates an imbalance between the composition of the atmosphere, and because of the imbalance in the composition of the atmosphere, we are suffering a lot of health issues, which is termed as air pollution. So students, that was all about our air pollution. In the next video, we would be discussing about our water pollution. Till then, goodbye, stay blessed.